Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make salt and pepper shrimp, so let's get started. You'll need half a red bell pepper, 1 whole jalapeno, half a yellow pepper, half an onion all diced into small pieces. On a plate, add in 3 large tablespoons of cornstarch. Here I have roughly over 2 pounds of shrimp, which already been washed, deveined and packed dry. Coat the shrimp with cornstarch. By doing this will give the shrimp a really nice crunch, but if you decide to remove the shell, you won't get that crunchiness. Let's get ready to fry up the shrimp. On high heat, add in 6 to 7 cups of oil. Once the oil is hot, add in your shrimps and deep fry them for 4 to 5 minutes. If you want to learn more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. Once the shrimps are done frying for 4 to 5 minutes, just remove from pan and place it on a piece of napkin, just like this. Now let's get ready to make our salt and pepper seasoning. Adding 1.5 tablespoons of salt and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Adding 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Now combine all the ingredients together. Now let's stir fry our salt and pepper shrimp. On high heat, adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Then adding 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Then stir fry for 1 minute. Then add in your vegetables. And stir fry for 3 minutes. Then add your shrimps. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of the salt and pepper seasoning. And stir fry the shrimps for a good 2 minutes. Then remove from pan. And there you have it, simple and delicious salt and pepper shrimp. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now. See you next time.